Hello, my name is Zoltan Istvan and I'm a transhumanist advocate, somebody who wants to make the human body and human experience superhuman through radical science and technology. On October 31st, 2019 at the LX Factory in Lisbon, Portugal, I will be giving a keynote at the Business Transformation Summit. And I'm really excited. It's all going to be all about transhumanism, going to be all about radical technologies and how it's impacting businesses and how it's transforming our species. I'm going to be speaking about genetic editing, artificial intelligence, exoskeleton suits, drones, anything that is changing our world to make us almost a different species. Now, transhumanism is this incredible movement that's literally spreading all around the world like wildfire. And I think it's very important that companies address it. Companies consider what's going to happen with the human body. Well, on October 31st, 2019, in Lisbon, Portugal, at the Business Transformation Summit, I will be talking about it. Come, listen to me speak. Let's discuss these ideas. Let's accelerate these ideas. It's going to be an exciting time.